Welcome back, viewers. This is Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts with Coldwell Banker Realty here at the subdivision of Emerald Cove Villas. This is a D.R. Horton planned development, and it is really in its infancy stage right now. We're really close to the Hathaway Bridge. Without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening in this brand new subdivision. Wildwood Road on the right there. As you get to the big intersection where those cars were just driving towards, it turns into Thomas Drive. So you're about 5 minutes to the Navy base. This is really right on the other side of the Hathaway townhomes. I will show you where those are as we pan to the west. So we got two streets there. We're gonna have Cove Villa, and we are on Emerald Cove Street right now, where it's gonna go into those cul-de-sacs in the back. There's gonna be 113 homes total in here. The smallest one is gonna be the Lamar floor plan by D.R. Horton, and we're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath for the Lamar, and that's going to be 1,706 square feet. At the larger end of the homes, you can see an example right here at the end of this cul-de-sac. That 2-story in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, that's an azalea at just under 2,500 square feet. We're at 2,496. And check the date on this video, because I hope to be doing more updates of this subdivision as it gets built out. But the current pricing, you're looking in the low 300s. Last I checked the listings online, the Lamar was at 290 and the Azalea was at 350. Same floor plans over in Moonraker. When they started the development, we're at similar pricing, and we're seeing a significant appreciation over in that subdivision. So hopefully things will continue on this trend, and if you get in early on this subdivision, you might see some good equity once the builder leaves the neighborhood. We're about 5 minutes from the Navy base. I mentioned that already. We're 35 minutes from Tyndall. We're about 15 minutes to Pier Park, 10 minutes to the beach, and 5 minutes probably to the sports complex. See if I can get some altitude here to show you that off in the distance here. See the fields there, the green and all the lights in the center of the screen? That's going to be your sports complex. There's plenty of options nearby for wet or dry storage for your boat if you happen to have one. We have public and private boat launch options. In the lower, actually in the center of the screen, is a public boat ramp. There's Marina Landing and the Hathaway Bridge and the bay. There's actually a boat ramp right on the other side of the bridge from Marina Landing that's got about 4 spaces there. It's a 2-lane, a little bit shallow, but if you have a bigger boat, you may not be able to launch there. All these homes that are going to be in this subdivision will have a 2-car garage. Some good eats nearby. One of my favorite spots is Gin Fusion. You should check them out on Google Maps. In fact, I'll probably try and drop a link in the video description area. If you're coming into town to visit, the Fairfield Marriott is center screen and near the top, just on the other side of Back Beach Road there. And if nightlife is your thing, Newbie's Brew and Booze is, should I say, stumbling distance? It's about a 3-minute car ride. Short Uber ride home if you are looking for a home here in Emerald Cove Villas. Back to the subdivision. So let's see here, we got almost 20 homes that are already built in here. Out of 113, there's still plenty of opportunity for you guys to get in on this new development here in Panama City Beach. Panama City Beach in general the construction is just, well, excuse me. So yeah, the drone is telling me we're at maximum altitude. Back to Panama City Beach. The construction is just booming right now, and that's a good sign of the health of a local economy, as if new construction is still going gangbusters. A lot of us believe that with all of the activity and rebuilding over at Tyndall Air Force Base, that we will continue to see a good, strong local economy. Right now is a great time to buy because interest rates are low as well. If you like this kind of content and want to see me fly over your subdivision, leave me a comment below. I represent buyers and sellers of real estate in all Bay County. I'll leave a link to my website below. And again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like this kind of content, and if you're wanting to see this subdivision grow, I'm going to try and do updates over time so you can see how it really comes to life here. Sign off this video, and I will say, for all your real estate needs, give me a call. Would love to help. Sean Casilli, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.